and thank you for coming along again for the creative writing session. I've got the prompt ready to go. Again, hope you guys slept well last night and you're ready to be lovely and creative this morning. I've got even bigger bags under my eyes this morning. My little boy Riley had a temperature from yesterday afternoon and was up cuddling into me last night with a bit of a temperature. He's okay, I think. He quite often, he's got a wee cold coming on, and I think he quite often gets a temperature when he's got a cold coming on. But that means that we're all on isolation, and his dad as well, for 14 days together. Wish us luck. So, writing prompt for this morning, what I wanted to talk about this morning was how easy it is to find ideas. A lot of people ask when I say, it's important to use a writing prompt in the 6-minute writing. They say, where do you find your prompt from? Well, you can find it anywhere. What you can do, I've got, excuse me, I've got some prompts at the bottom of Wellspring. On every page, there's a little prompt in there. But what you can also do is look in things like dictionaries and so on. The last song that you listen to, stick on the radio and just pick out a word or a phrase from a song that's being played. What you can also do is even just, like I say, anything. I was searching under the couch yesterday for a game on Riley's DS. And while I was doing that, I found all sorts of fun things that I thought had been lost, so cars and so on. So I'm going to show you, I thought one of those would, a few of those would probably make good writing prompts. So I'm going to show you a couple of those that I found. We have these little cards. These are little invention cards. So I'm going to use one of those for a writing prompt, and I'll probably use a couple of those for the rest of the week as well. So a quick reminder that 6-minute writing or Wellspring writing, it's about breaking down blocks. It's about using it as a warm-up to break down blocks or to find solutions to any problems that you've had, or just to spark off and keep your creativity sparking. Keep it going. Just keep writing, even if the only thing you can think of writing is, I don't know what to write. Swearing, anything goes. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just write everything down and don't worry about editing it. You can edit in the future, and it's important to edit your writing to polish it up. But at that initial stage, keep your inner editor off to one side. Think of it almost like dreaming with your hand, and let the ideas flow through you out of your pen. Okay, so are we all ready to go? Flip your page over from yesterday in your notebook. I will time the 6 minutes for us all. If I can find my clock. Again, if we're interrupted, I'll switch off the microphone, interrupted by a 5-year-old or the cats, so that your writing isn't disturbed. So 6 minutes, and your writing prompt for today is a miner's safety lamp. So you can take that whatever way you want. You can use it as a lamp or light, or you can think about mining, whatever sparks for you. Where you begin with your 6-minute writing may not be where you end up. Just go where it takes you and just keep going. You might want to use keywords and phrases rather than writing sentences as well. Experiment, do whatever works for you. Okay, so your 6-minute writing for today is a miner's safety lamp. Okay, 6 minutes, starting now. keep going, keep writing. Okay, that is your 6 minutes up. If you want to keep going, then of course keep going. Pause this and keep writing. And I hope you have had something interesting and useful come out of that, and use that as a seed for a larger piece, prose or poetry, whatever you like. And hope you've had a good seed of an idea come from your miner's safety lamp. If there's anything else that you would like me to do to help support your writing, give me a shout. You can email me at laura@figmentcreativity.com, or you can contact me here through Facebook. All the best. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Keep safe, keep well, and take care and happy writing. Thanks again.